Today I have a acer Aspire 5 laptop, and this laptop problem is secure boot is enabled, and today I will show how you can disable the secure boot and how you can install the new operating system, okay, new Windows. Let's turn on the laptop and press the F2. You can press this multiple time, no problem. Okay, we enter the BIOS mode and press the right key, and you can see here is secure boot is enabled and this option is inactive. Okay, this is not activated. Go to the security and here is a set the superior password, enter, and you just enter a password. You can remember this, just okay, save it, yes, okay, F10 and come out the operating mode, F10, again enter the BIOS mode. Okay, here is the enter the password, what you enter, and you can see here is the option, and you can disable the secure boot. Okay, after that you just plug in the USB drive, again press the F2, okay, enter your password, enter, and you can see here is a boot option should be disabled. Okay, again here is a, you can see this, here is a your pen drive, bootable pen drive 64 GB, okay, which is the operating system. Is just press the F6 and it's go to the fast boot, okay, and F10, yes. Some of acer laptop you need to be press the F12 for choosing the bootable device. Okay, viewers, thanks for watching.